What do you think of that? Oh boy. Friskies? Yay, thank you. Lupin, what do we get? There's 2 boxes and a bag. You gonna help me open these? Okay, come on. Well, let's move the bag out of the way and we'll open the boxes. Yeah. Is that the one you want? Is that the good one? I'm opening this one over here. Come on, listen out. Listen out. Come on. Ooh. What's in there? What's in there? There's paper. What's it? Paper? Oh, lots of paper. Ooh. Ooh. Paper's good. What do you think of that? Oh boy. Friskies? Yay, thank you. Paper. Of course, paper. Okay, let's open the other one, Lupin. Come on. Oh, heavy. Okay, I'm pushing this one over there. Oh. Come on, help me out. Help me with this one. Is she busy with paper? Okay. Come on. You're missing out. Oh, kitty cat food. Yay. Come on, I can see the kitty cat food. Wait, that shreds. These, you like these? Yeah, get shreds, and we got fishy pate, and there's also an envelope. You can see what's in here. Let's see what's in here. I'll try to get an envelope. Let's see what's in here. Let's see. What's in that one? What is that? What's in there? I'll get this out of the way. Get one charge yourself. Okay, what's in this bag? Oh. Ooh, ooh, it's a Chewy gift card. Thank you. Do you want to try to get in this bag? It's too small. Maybe Joey could get in it. We should call him. We should call him to come help. Good boy, Lupin. You gonna try it? Okay. Okay. Hi. Oh, Toby. Toby says, let's have dinner time, please. Thank you very much for the kitty cat food. Thank you. Time to play in some boxes and some paper. Thank you. That looks like fun. What's that? What's that? That's kitty dinner. Okay. Oh, Joey's here to help. Lupin, Joey's here to help you. Hi, Joey. You want to try to get in the envelope? You want to get in the box? Oh, where are we going? Oh, he's getting under my stool. Lupin, what do you think of all this food? You gonna share it with Joey? Joey, is he gonna share with you? I think he will. He just wants to play. Yeah, playing. It's fun. Get the tail going.